This is a great weekend chili. The fresh tomatoes have a longer cooking time than usual, which really helps the flavors in the chili meld together. On the fresh side, you'll need 1 cup of diced yellow onion, half a cup of diced green pepper, half a cup of diced red pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1½ cups of diced fresh tomatoes, and 1 pound of ground beef. On the pantry side, 1 15-ounce can of dark red kidney beans, drained, 1 15-ounce can of Great Northern beans, drained, 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, not drained, 1¼ cups of beef broth, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 3½ tablespoons of my homemade chili seasoning. You can click the link in the top right corner to get the recipe for this chili seasoning. I'll also include it in the description. We're going to start the chili by adding about a tablespoon of olive oil to a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion and pepper and cook until softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Add the ground beef, breaking it apart as you add it, continuing to break it apart with your spatula. When the meat is about halfway browned, add the fresh tomatoes and cover and cook for 10 minutes over medium-low heat. After the 10 minutes is up, add the remaining ingredients: the kidney beans, the white beans, the canned tomatoes and chilies, the beef broth, the tomato paste, the Worcestershire sauce, and 3½ tablespoons of my chili seasoning. Stir well to combine and bring to a boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for up to 2½ hours. The long, low cooking process really helps the flavors in this chili meld together. Serve in a bowl over Fritos or corn chips and top with sour cream, shredded cheese, and optionally some green onions. Would you make this?
Chop them slow.